guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. I was making breakfast and I figured I would just show you guys what I'm eating today. Today's Monday, so I'm trying to get a kickstart on eating healthy-ish and just overall being mindful of what I'm eating. So I wanted to bring you guys along. I already had my coffee and I'm almost done with it. I had a really busy morning today, so I'm having breakfast much later than I usually do, but let's do it. Okay, so for breakfast I made these really delicious egg muffins. Basically I just whisked together 4 eggs, some spinach, some bacon, and then I seasoned it with salt and pepper. I only did 4 and I put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about, I think it was like 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and have one of these. I love making these. Like, I have breakfast for 3 days now and it's like super easy. So I'm gonna put these away so that I can eat them for the rest of the week. And then I'm gonna have half of a blueberry muffin. We have a little bit of a balance going on here. Life is about balance, okay? I really love having fruit in the morning because I feel like it's just a great way to kickstart your day, especially when they're like nice and fresh. So I'm gonna do some raspberries, just like a couple of these, because I'm also gonna do a couple of these. I love fresh fruit, it's like the best. And lastly, I'm gonna do like 2 strawberries because these strawberries are huge. So good. Blueberry muffins are bomb. These blueberry muffins are so good. They're from Trader Joe's. They're moist. So this is breakfast, my little fruit medley, my little egg muffin, and then my guilty pleasure blueberry muffin. I have had the craziest day. It is 3:20 and I'm just now getting to eating. And I don't even have like time to actually sit and like make something. So I think I'm just gonna do the usual, which is just like a bento box where I have like just veggies and just little snacks, because I really don't have the time to like even make a salad or so. This is real life. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys what I do for bentos, which is pretty much what I do every day for lunch. So bento is basically like just a little spread of healthiness. So I have cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna do a couple of those. I'm gonna cut up some Parmesan cheese slides. It's so funny because I've had such a busy day, but like no matter how busy I am, I have to make time to eat or else my day just goes bad because I get hangry and it's just not good. So this is like the best go-to lunch for me when I have days like this because it's so easy to prepare. I don't have to wait for anything to cook or to bake. It's like super quick. Usually I take the cheese out like 30 minutes before I'm gonna eat because it's so much easier to cut, but I didn't have the time today, so. And then I'm gonna do some carrots as well. And then I'll do some broccoli florets. These aren't cooked, these are just raw broccoli. And then this is probably my favorite part in the whole like spread is salami. I feel like it's the perfect lunch snack. I'll put like 8 or 10 slices just because I love it. It's so delicious. So this is like my lunch spread. Salami, tomatoes, some Parmesan cheese, carrots, broccoli. This is the hummus that I like to dip the veggies in. It's spicy avocado hummus. It's actually not that spicy, but I like this better than regular hummus because avocado hummus tends to be just a little bit healthier. So this is lunch. This is literally the best lunch to have when you're on the go or when you're busy or even when you're lazy and you don't want to cook something up. And it's healthy because, you know, you have your veggies, and it literally didn't even take me like 5 minutes to prepare this. So cheers to lunch. So it's now 4:50, almost 5 o'clock, and I'm feeling a little bit hungry even though I ate an hour ago. Basically, since it's already 5 and I'm gonna be having dinner like around 7, I don't want to eat anything too heavy, so I'm just gonna make a smoothie, something that'll kind of hold me over for a little bit. These have been like my go-to lately, especially when being home. I love that I can take advantage of making smoothies because in the office, like, I can't, you know? I can't do that. I have these frozen berry medley. It has blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Just all the berries. And then I'm gonna do a whole banana. I feel like when making smoothies, I always have to add something that will give me a little bit more, like, that will fill me up a little bit more, because fruit on its own with milk is like not really that filling. So I always put like a banana or an apple because those tend to kind of fill me up a little bit more. I'm kind of just winging it. I haven't made the smoothie yet. I always like to try different things. I haven't found the perfect one, so trying new things kind of helps, you know, find what I like. So I'm gonna put some almond milk in here. This is just vanilla almond milk. I'm gonna put about like half. And then I want to try putting some pineapple chunks because I feel like that's gonna add a nice little touch. Put like 3 of these guys. Okay, let's try the smoothie. It's a very, very good. It tastes very tropical. Very, not too sweet. It's like just very fresh. It's a nice, like, refreshing taste. I think this is definitely gonna be one of my favorite go-tos. This is how I find smoothie recipes. I just put things together and see if it tastes good. But I guess, okay, today's smoothie of the day is berry medleys, banana, almond milk, and pineapple. So good. I need one of these. Guys, it's 9:12 and I'm just now getting started on dinner. I don't know how I went from 5 to 9. Usually we are done with dinner right now. Right now is like when we're doing dishes and stuff. But unfortunately that's not the case today because I've had the busiest day that I did not anticipate. And usually, like with my dinner, I like to have like 1 glass of wine, just to kind of unwind a little bit. I'm drinking some Stella cider. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started on dinner. So I already cut up some red potatoes. I am just going to pop these in the oven for like 15 minutes. I'm just gonna drizzle them with oil, salt, and pepper. Tonight's dinner is gonna be so easy because it's 9:15 and I really don't want to do anything too crazy. So gonna try to keep it very simple. So lately when it comes to meal prepping and planning, I don't really plan out dinners anymore. I've really just been enjoying the spontaneity of dinner. Like, so what we do is we basically just buy meats, sides, and veggies and fruit, and based off of that we kind of just improv every day. We try to incorporate veggies in each of our dinners. So tonight I'm gonna do salmon because salmon is so easy to make. I'm doing potatoes, and then I'm doing just steamed broccoli, just because that is super easy, super quick, and I'm hungry. I just want to eat. So basically what I do is I season it with salt. I do pepper, and then I do paprika. And I do this on both sides. So I'm going to turn it around. I have my pan here where my salmon's going to cook. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil on it. And I'm doing this over medium heat. So a little thing that I like to do to check if the pan is hot is I grab a little bit of water in my hand and I kind of just go like that. And if it sizzles, then it's hot. But it's not sizzling yet, so it's not ready. Potatoes are done. Guys, look at this. Ow, ow. Ow. Freaking A, what am I thinking? Look at this. You can hear the sizzling. I'm gonna place the salmon skin first. So the back is gonna go in first. Like that. And it's gonna be about like, maybe like 3 to 5 minutes each side. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna show you guys the easiest way to make steamed broccoli. So for broccoli, I have it in a bowl, a microwave safe bowl, and I put like 2 tablespoons of water and some plastic wrap over it, and I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for like a maximum of like 2 minutes. That way you can avoid like the stove top madness, you know? The broccoli's done. Let me show you guys how it looks. Make sure I don't burn myself. Look, it's literally like steamed broccoli. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble our plates. I have the potatoes here already. I'm gonna grab some broccoli. Just a couple florets on each plate. And I also put salt and pepper on the broccoli just to give it a little bit of flavor. Alright, so dinner is served. I have the salmon, potatoes, broccoli. I realized this whole video I haven't done a taste test for you guys. I feel like I always do taste tests. Salmon is so good. All of it is just so good. It's so good I can't even, I'm not even waiting for Eric. I'm starting because I'm hungry. I cannot believe, guys, it's 10 o'clock and I'm having dinner at 10 o'clock. Like, days like this are so rare. But I'm thankful. I'm thankful for food. Thank you, Lord.